Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a product that's creating quite a buzz, the premium hardwood mulch for houseplants. But hold on tight, because we're not just talking any mulch here. We're diving into why this is the best mulch for strawberries you can find in the market. I'm your host and this is Product Critique. Now, before we dig in, let's take a closer look at what makes this mulch stand out. Firstly, it's crafted from 100% hardwood, no dyes or additives, ensuring pure goodness for your plants. Plus, it's versatile, perfect for both indoor and outdoor container gardening. But what really sets this apart? Well, stick around as we uncover the secrets behind its popularity and why it's the go-to choice for strawberry enthusiasts. Now, let's talk benefits. This mulch isn't just for show. It's packed with features that'll have your strawberries thanking you. First off, it acts as a barrier against soil splashing, keeping your precious strawberries clean and healthy. Plus, its insulating properties help regulate soil temperature, protecting those delicate roots from extreme weather fluctuations. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the size. With 4 quarts covering 6 square feet, you're getting bang for your buck. But wait, there's more. Here are some pro tips for using this mulch to maximize your strawberry yields. For best results, apply a 2-inch layer of mulch around your strawberry plants, making sure to leave some space around the stem to prevent rot. And don't forget to top up periodically as the mulch breaks down over time. So there you have it, folks. The premium hardwood mulch for houseplants isn't just your average mulch. It's the secret sauce for thriving strawberry plants. With its all-natural goodness, insulating properties, and moisture retention capabilities, it's no wonder why it's flying off the shelves. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy gardening!